Medyo matagal lahat with Neo de Pastorio's Mega with June Enterprise promo. See posters and ads for details. For DOH permit number 0456 series of 2010. Promo period is from June 1 to October 31, 2010. Phenylephrine, HCl, chlorphenamine, maleate, paracetamol is the generic name of Neogen. Carbamazepine is the generic name of Scully. If you persist, consult your doctor.
Walang focus sa ano.
You can get a hot bite and a hot gadget with Del Monte Fit and Right iBird, iWin, iPad. 3 iPads will be given away every day. So get your hands in a Fit and Right bottle right now. Scratch the sticker code and send it to 2989. Del Monte Fit and Right for the body and the iPad you've always wanted. To know more, log on to fitandright.com or text SNR to 2989.
Promo period is from September 15 to October 14, 2010. For DOH FDA permit number 0815, series of 2010. Product contains L-carnitine, which helps burn fat, combined with proper diet and exercise.
Hi, sir. May I take your order?
Have a cheeseburger without the lettuce and tomatoes and one iced tea with no ice.
Why just talk when you can talk Tastic? With Listerine, you can have an extraordinary clean mouth and be mouth-vacular.
Ayaw mo umiti. Ayaw mo umiti, ha?
Yeah, I have a BLT without the L and the T, plus ice without ice. Can you do that for me? Yeah. Get extraordinary clean with Listerine. See how extraordinary your mouth can be. Visit www.mouthvacular.com.ph.
Dito ko.
Patak na naman ang ulan. Pumapatak na din ang sipon at virus na galing kay Boss at galing sa assistant ni Boss.
Wala, ayaw umitingin.
Accountant, sa messenger, kay Manong Gang. Kaya kung mapatakan at mahawakan ka ng sipon virus, tubig, pahila, at music. May mabisang symptoms formula para di mo mapatakan ng sipon ng pamilya mo. Sipong gala ng tag-ulan, immune sa pagkadiyan. Phenylephrine, HCl, chlorphenamine.
Hindi, nahihirapan ako sandali. Alis ka dyan.
Pag sinabi kong I am, ako yun. I am an ate, I am a vlogger, I am an artist. Pero kahit ang mga alam ay nagkakaisa, sa isang burger pa rin tayo nagkakaisa. Jollibee Young Burger. The one na may langhap,
Hindi siya happy ngayon eh.
100% pure beef, soft cheese, and their favorite topping. Masarap mula una ng half up to the last pagkat. The only one, tulad mo, at tulad ko. I am young, I am Pinoy, I young. Jollibee Young Burger. Pag I am hungry, I dial 87,000 Jollibee Delivery.
Sagutin mo na nga. Hindi naman palang ngiti ngayon eh.
Stop ko na.
Hindi naman